Okay, so we're required to find the truth table for P implies R, which implies not P or R. So P, R, those are our two prime propositions. And we do what's inside of the parentheses first. So we have P implies R. Next, we use the not P, then we have not P or R. And then we'll do our implication, which is P implies R, which then implies not P or R. Okay. So we don't have to worry, there's only just two prime propositions, so that we're going to only have just a total of 4 lines in our truth table. The implication is returning a false value only if this is true and this is false. So true implies false is, true implies true is true. True implies false is false. False implies true is true, and false implies false is true. Okay, so with the negation of P, the values in the P column flip from T to F and from F to T. Okay, so now we have not P or R, so we're going to use this column and this column. And with the disjunction, at least one of them has to be true. So we have true or false, so that is true. We have false or false, well, that's false because one of them has to be true. We have true or true, which is true. And lastly, we have false or true, which is true. And now we are almost done. We just have to take this column here and this column here, and we do the implication. So we have, remember, the implication is returning a false value only when this is true and that is false. So that gives us a false implication value. The rest is true. Okay, so we have true implies true, that's true. We have false implies false, that's true. We have true implies true, that's true. And lastly, we have true implies true, which is true. And that completes our truth table.